Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin explains why he went to court for the interpretation of Article 97 of the Constitution after the Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin, declares 4 seats vacant in Parliament. This is Authentic Plus TV. Kindly do subscribe, share and like, and also please don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Sorry. All right, so before the election, something happened in Ghana's Parliament House. And the declaration from the Speaker of Parliament didn't go well with Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin, the majority leader for the NPP. So the Speaker of Parliament declared 4 seats vacant. And Alexander Afenyo Markin, being the majority leader, sent this case to court. And the Supreme Court also came in and told the Speaker of Parliament to allow them to temporarily maintain their seat until election is over. But I have a video of Alexander Afenyo Markin explaining why he sent the case to court. Because, after the court came in, people were saying that even the Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin, said matters of Parliament should be in Parliament. And then the judiciary should also look into their affairs. That was what Alban Bagbin said after the court came into this issue. All right, so Afenyo Markin is trying to say that the NDC minority told them they have a political committee. So any decision taken in Parliament has to go to the political committee for them to take the final decision. So before Haruna Idrisu, the NP for Tamale South, before he would give out his petition, he would allow the Speaker of Parliament to speak. They've taken a decision that the matter will just be debated in Parliament and it will be there. It will just stay like that. They will just debate on the matter. But after that, they came, the NPP majority came to them saying that the political committee has taken a decision of denying them their seat. That means the seat has declared vacant and that is it. Let's listen to Afenyo Markin.
There are things that I have to enter my casket with, all right? That is politics. That's leadership.
Right.
They know what we did, engagement. But you see, the NDC minority also made it clear to us that the party has set up a political committee at the headquarters. So anything that we discuss, they had to go to the political committee. And sometimes, at the last minute, it was frustrating at times. At the last minute, you have your colleagues coming back to you and say, look, leader, we are sorry. This is the decision of the political committee. 3-line whip. Like what is happening in the chamber now. I have gone all out to negotiate, discuss. We had agreed to do some of the government business. Then, last minute, they came and said, Kwamina, I don't want to lie to you. The party has taken a decision. 3-line whip. This one won't allow. This one won't allow. So, we are sorry. My dear Ellen.
Was that why you went to court?
And in a situation like this, what do you do?
Was that why you went to court?
So the public will see the outcome and begin the judgment. But they would not know that before getting to that state, you had done a lot of
Leader, was that why you went to court?
Before going to court, before filing for interpretation of Article 97, in extensive discussions. The officer who was filing the process had to be delayed, all because we're having discussions. Assurances were given. Then last minute, U-turn. I had to file. All right? Somebody will say, oh, you just rushed to court. It wasn't the case that we're doing parliamentary business and all of a sudden you go to Supreme Court.
You say we just were not privy to what was going on in
that's why I thank you for the opportunity to have this discussion.
Right.
And then people will say, oh, even in parliament, then there's judicial interference.
Because that was your toughest critique, that you know how we play in parliament,
right,
but you want to, take it outside.
We had discussed when Haruna filed his petition
3FM
to invite Mr. Speaker to allow his motion. There were a lot of discussions with him. We had certain understanding that, okay, the matter would just be debated and we'll leave it there. All right? But last minute, we were told that the political committee of the party has taken a decision that fight all out, denying them and their seat. And even when they were moving onto our seat, there were some of them who were not happy with it. It was an order from above, from their party, that go and sit on their seat. That morning, my dear, I will leave some out. I will tell you just a few.
Exactly, please.
The heat, the pressure, the tension. We wouldn't have the Ghana we have today. I had to take a decision as a leader that if I enter the chamber and I have some of the moderates on their side who had told me that, leader, we are not happy with this. We are begging you. Can you talk to our seniors at the headquarters? I tried. I reached out. There were some who were just begging the leader, please, we can't look you in the eye and come and push you. Don't even come at all.
Right.
We're begging you. There were some on my side who were so incensed that no. Obiya Bema. I didn't necessarily no lenko.
It could have come to blows.
Uye penia na ye dia disura dia so awo. Enyoma na ye hu na anajo. Eye ni nyina na ye ka ho asem. Nti dia me ye no na ama parliament enya asomdwe. Na ama ye nyina ye nya asomdwe. But obi betumi edidi me atem, but onim said dia na me di mani hu no. Samentuwa na mo a nkende ye ni nisa.
So after he has said all this, he even said that even the minority, as they were going to sit on their seat to become the majority in parliament, they weren't happy. They weren't happy. Because according to him, it was from above, information from above. And they were pushing them for them to go and take their seat. But it's not something that they were also willing to take over, to become the majority in parliament. So for him, he's saying that because they had an agreement, they made a decision. And then later, they came to tell them that this is what the political committee is saying. That thing, because of that, he went to court for the interpretation of Article 97. And he's saying that even what he did has brought peace to parliament today. Because of what he did, there is peace in parliament, says Afenyo Markin. This is Authentic Plus TV. My name is Sarah Tete. Kindly do subscribe, share, and like, and also please don't forget to kindly follow us on all social media platforms.